In this video, how you can trigger the YouTube algorithm to get more views to the videos you publish.
Brian G. Johnson.
Brian G here, and to grow on YouTube, stake your claim and amplify your message. Do that by subscribing and listen. Got a simple question for you today. Which of these two videos do you think will get more views here on YouTube? Video A with an average view duration of 7 minutes and 38 seconds, or video B with an average view duration of 2 minutes and 28 seconds? Fact: YouTube rewards videos with above average video metrics. For example, here in YouTube Studio, we're looking at one specific video from my channel, and this gray line represents my channel average. So what you want to do is strive to publish videos that are above your channel average. And wouldn't you know it, this blue line here for both views and watch time really represents where your last video, how it's performing. And that's step number one, to publish a video that performs better in terms of views and watch time than your more previous videos. But how exactly do you do that? It seems so overwhelming and complex. It's really pretty simple. Simply proceed to step number two. Publish a video that has high CTR or click-through rate early in the video's life cycle. Now, CTR is simply a measurement of the percentage of the audience that actually clicks on the video you just published. Let me give you an example. This video has done really well for me, gaining me over 200,000 views in less than a year. Now, I published this video on June 21st of 2019, and the video drove 10,000 views on day one. Tremendous. But this is what I want to show you. You're going to want to click on reach, and then you'll be taken to this screen where you can really take a look at impressions, which is really the size or interest level of viewers on YouTube concerning your video. It's how often YouTube shows your video to those viewers. And then if we click on the next box over, that's impression click-through rate, or CTR, you'll notice my CTR is only 1%. For that particular date range, yes, the average is 1%. But on day one of this video going live, my CTR was 5.7%. That's a pretty good result. It's slightly above average for my particular channel. And on day 7, the CTR was 2.6%. And then about 3 to 4 weeks in, the CTR dropped to 1%, which it kind of sucks, right? Now, even though the CTR was just at 1%, the video was driving hundreds of views per day during this period. Now, your results will vary. There's no one CTR that means you're going to get more views. There's no one audience retention metric that you can hit ensuring you'll get more views. Again, it's kind of like a recipe of YouTube metrics or analytics that we can strive to improve. And the more we improve all these metrics, the better our videos will do, the more views we'll get. This is step 3, and I want you to do this because when you do this, it's simple. You're going to get great results over time. Step number 3 is to strive to keep your audience retention above 70% for as long as possible. In this example, notice at 23 seconds, the audience retention is at 72.3%. And then it's on to step number 4, which is average view duration. Your goal is to keep viewers watching as long as possible, which is going to extend your average view duration. The longer your average view duration, the more watch time you're going to get, the better your video performance. And your average view duration metrics are located right next to the audience retention metrics. Here's a tip. The more you can boil down and really focus on keeping things really simple, the better off you're going to do when it comes to getting views. Example, don't start by wondering what's the best video length to get more views. Begin by realizing you've got to publish a video the audience is really excited to click on. And then you simply follow through and keep viewers watching your video. Simple as that. It's not complicated when you focus on what's most important. For example, do you remember the question about the 2 videos at the beginning of this video? I asked you, which video do you think is going to get more views here on YouTube? Video A, with an average view duration of 7 minutes and 38 seconds, or video B with an average view duration of 2 minutes and 28 seconds. The truth is, both videos have done exceptionally well for my channel. Let me show you. This is my video, Tricks Big YouTubers Never Share. It's gained over 213,000 views in about a 9-month period. The video has done really great for my channel. And here you can see the video has performed above average in terms of views and in terms of watch time. And if we look at the CTR on day 1, the CTR was only 3.8%, which isn't that great. Click on engagement and notice the average view duration is 8 minutes and 48 seconds. Remember the gray area. The gray area here represents my channel average. This video did outstanding in terms of average view duration. And this is video B. Now video B I just published and it's doing really well again for my channel. Now this video has an average view duration that's just around 2 minutes and 30 seconds, give or take. However, the CTR is really high, coming in at 10%. And furthermore, the views to this video every day are incredible. I'm gaining about 2,000 views per day from this one video. And thus, you can blow up on YouTube based on a number of these combinations. Strive to do well in all of them, and you'll crush it. On to step number 5. Keep viewers watching for the next 15 seconds. Really, steps 3, 4, and 5 are all about keeping viewers watching your video. It's one of the most critical elements of YouTube's success. You want to keep the pace of your video high. We'll talk more about this in just a minute, depending on the length of your video. Do your best not to repeat yourself unless you're really covering a very important point. And as you're editing your video, just think, are viewers going to keep watching? Is this part exciting? Does it have helpful information? Or are they going to think about clicking off? If they're going to click off, you might as well cut that part of your video and keep them watching till the end, because there's another metric that's really important that comes at the end of your video. We're going to get there soon. Here's what most people don't understand. We're on step number 6. You see, getting subscribers isn't just what you want, and I want more subscribers. It sends a powerful signal to YouTube. Hey, we pushed the video out to non-subscribers, and a pretty good percentage of those people subscribed. Let's put the video in front of more viewers. Let's recommend this video again to more viewers. You want to think about the subscribe button or metric as a signal as to how much the audience really likes your video. Doesn't matter how much you like your video, it matters how much the audience likes your video. Now, if you're just getting started or you're struggling to grow, I recommend you do this to boost your subscriber gain. Simply leverage the power of a lower third graphic. It should just say, remember to subscribe, or please subscribe, or like mine, just subscribe. And what that does is it kind of gives viewers a reminder that they should hit the subscribe button. In fact of the matter is, when you focus on all these other elements, and when you're choosing a topic that they really appreciate, and you're not really spending a lot of time on smash the like button, join my Patreon, check out my new merch, you get right into the content, they're going to be far more likely to subscribe, and then you get what you want. I'm really glad you made it to step 7, because this is based on some new stuff that's in YouTube Studio. It's super powerful when you understand and apply what I'm going to share. Let me show you. Engagement. Engagement is not how many comments people are leaving. Engagement is not how often people are smashing the like button. You see, if you click on this link here, engagement, and then you scroll down, you're going to see 3 boxes. Audience retention, which is how long viewers are watching. That is true engagement. Likes versus dislikes. That's true engagement. And then we've got this, end screen element click rate. Notice the insane click rate. 21.9% of the viewers click on the end screen element. And the end screen element is basically a tool in YouTube Studio that allows you to link to other videos that appear in the video the viewer is watching. So imagine a viewer clicks on your video, they watch all the way through, and then 21% of those viewers click on another one of your videos. That sends a huge signal to YouTube that the audience likes this video and we should push it out to a bigger audience. And that's absolutely what's happening to this video, and I'm growing. So what you want to do is get as many end screen clicks as you possibly can. You see, this is a metric not enough people talk about. Fact of the matter is you don't have to publish longer videos, and longer videos take longer to make, making it harder for you to publish more often, which is clearly the path in growing on YouTube. If you want to get more views, now don't tell anybody, but this video on the screen now, it kind of highlights how I like to steal views here on YouTube. Totally ethical, nothing wrong with it, and very powerful. Click and watch that video now. When you do, you're gonna feed a poodle. I've got 2 poodles and they're hungry. You dig?